In order to explain what happened, I'm using this free and open source audio editor, Audacity. If you wish, you can download Audacity from Audacity's website. When you start Audacity, you get this empty interface. First of all, I'll go to the Tracks menu, then Add New, and choose Audio Track. Here we have an empty audio track. So then, I need to generate a beep. To generate a beep, go to the Generate menu and choose Tone. There you get the tone generator dialog box. Here we choose Sine as the waveform, like most of the other natural waves. For the frequency, I'll give 500 Hz. You can have whatever the frequency here, as long as it is within the range humans can hear, which is between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz. I'll leave the amplitude as it is. Then I'll press OK. Now you see we have some kind of a track. You can play it if you want, then you will hear a beep. Right. Now I'm going to duplicate this track. So go to the Edit menu and choose Duplicate. Now we have two copies of the same track. In the first track, I'll move the slider to the left end. Now this track will be only heard from your left earpiece. In the second track, I'll move the slider to the right end. Now the second track can be only heard from the right earphone. Then I'll choose the Zoom tool from the toolbox. Then I'll click on a track to zoom it. I'll keep clicking again and again until I see the sound waves. When we have two sound waves, where one is exactly the opposite of the other, if we try to merge these two, the sound will be vanished. This effect is called the destructive interference. Now we have two tracks representing two sound waves. One is exactly the same as the other. In order to make a sound wave the opposite of the other, I'll be removing exactly a half of its wavelength from the beginning. The first track is played from your left earphone and the second track is played from your right earphone. So moving two earphones closer to each other will merge these two sound tracks. There you will experience destructive interference. So then, I hope you learned a lot. Thank you for joining me.